Hi friends! Welcome to another video. Sa video na to, gagawa tayo ng review on this product right here. Ay, baliktad. So, ito. This is the VYS Contour Stick. And the shade that I have right here is in bronze. Ayan. Nga pala, pagpasensyahan nyo na itong mga damit na to dito. This is actually like our portable closet. So, para lang ma-explain. So, yeah. Pagpasensya na pagpasensya. Tigilan na natin ito. Pagpasensya na nyo. Pagpasensya nyo na rin po itong brows na to. Kanina pa kami nagsastart. Kanina pa kami nag-aaway ng kilay ko. Kaya lang ayaw niya talagang makipagbati ngayon. So, hindi ko na siya pipilitin. So, anyways, ito naman yung star ng show natin for today. So, yeah. Ganito lang yung, actually, itong package na to, ito yung nabili ko. This is what I bought at Watson's when I went there. This contains 1.5 grams of products, and this is how it looks like. I know it's already very well used. It looks like it has been used for a while now, but yeah, it has been used for a while now. You don't have to sharpen it because this is actually retractable. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Ayan. So, ganito pa siya kadami. I think I had this for a couple of months already. Maybe I bought this in May. I'm not really sure. But this is in Watson's. And I got this for 299 pesos. Yun. Let me do a swatch of the product for you. Ganito siya. This is how the product looks like on the skin. Now, I'm not really sure if this is really good for contouring kasi actually, bronzer nga siya siguro. Diba? So, yeah. I think they have another color which is in contour. Yung name ng shade niya dito. But this one is in bronze. So, I'm now gonna go ahead and show you how I will be using or I'm gonna be using this on this face. So, ganito yung itsura ng face ko ngayon. Let's see kung mapapaliit niya to. So, yeah. So, most of the time, I'm starting with dito sa mga chubby-chubbyhan na yan dyan. So, that's what we're going to do. I'm gonna be blending all of this out with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. Na talagang love na love ko na rin. Oh, wala nang label, oh. And ang dami na ng mga chunks dyan. So, yeah. Okay, so this is how my face looks like after we blend out all the contour stick. Itong contour stick na to. Blendability, wala akong problema sa kanya. It blends very well. Hindi ako problema sa pigmentation niya kasi as you can see, hindi naman siya yung parang striking talaga. So, I would say that if you would like to contour your face on like a regular, on a daily basis, yung parang hindi heavy contouring yung gusto mong gawin, I think this would be a good like an option for you to use it. To be honest, I do not have very much experience with like bronzing stick. this is actually the first contouring stick na na-try ko. And wala naman akong problema sa kanya. I really like it. Siguro magkakaproblema lang ako if I like try out something new tapos mas maganda yung performance nun. But so far, out of 5, I think I'm gonna be giving it a 4. Kasi for some reason, kahit na maganda naman yung performance niya, there's really something about it that I feel like may kulang. Sa totoo lang, parang may kulang sa kanya. I'm not sure yet lang talaga kung So, doon tayo sa pros. Ang masasabi ko dito, I really like it. It's super blendable. And it's super affordable din, in my opinion, for contour sticks. Kasi most of the contour sticks that I saw online or even sa mall, they range from like 450 to around 1,000. So, ganun sila ka-pricey. So, this one, I was able to get this for 299 pesos. So, those two are the only pros that I can see here. And, oo nga pala, what I really like about this is that I don't have to sharpen it. It's very, it's retractable, and it's very travel-friendly for those of us who are really, into traveling a lot. Tsaka napaka-convenient niyang gamitin. Like, pagdodraw ka lang ng ganyan, yung parang it's so fun to use. So, hindi siya, you don't need an explanation as to how you're going to use this. So, tatlo na sila. Actually, marami na sila. But anyway, yun yung mga nakita kong pros. The con, though, that I can see here is that I don't think that the color is actually like tama for contouring. Again, maybe this shade is really designed for bronzing. Pero nakita ko kay Aina, kay Feeling Aina, she's actually also a YouTuber. Parang ito siguro yung shade na sinasabi niya na parang tae. Not sure. But, yeah, if it blends out naman, okay naman siya for people who have like darker skin, like mine. Parang, okay naman siya. Hindi naman siya pangit tingnan. So, yeah. That's it for my review on this product right here. Let me know kung na-try nyo na to, or if you have something else in mind, like a similar product to this, para naman, ma-check din natin lahat and ma-try out din natin. So, yeah! So, yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you again next time. Yeah, may Instagram ako. Follow nyo ako sa Instagram. And if you have a channel yourself, let me know on the comments box below. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do go ahead and subscribe. The subscribe button is right here. Yon. And let me know if you have a channel para ma-follow ko kayo. Para naman maging friends tayo, diba? So, yeah, I'll see you again.